I'm Ruchita Rupani and I'm a clinical nutritionist. I've done my post graduation in clinical nutrition and I'm a diabetes educator as well. I always had a special interest in diabetes. The reason being the rate of the diabetes is going very high. It's almost like the epidemic of diabetes. So if you see, there is each family that would have at least one person who has diabetes. So basically there are two types of diabetes. It's type 1 and type 2. Now type 1, it is when it is largely genetic, wherein there is no production of the insulin from the organ pancreas, and that person has to be on the insulin for his lifetime. So in such conditions, the dietary advice would just help him to control the sugar levels and not going in a very high state or a low state, and always keeping the sugar in control. Now about the type 2 diabetes is largely your lifestyle disorder. Now what basically happens in our body is there is a hormone called as an insulin which picks up the glucose from our surrounded body areas, and it's given to the cell whichever needs the glucose. So now when the amount of the fat percentage increases, or if then whenever there is an obesity, in such conditions this mechanism is disturbed. The hormone insulin do not perform the action which it actually has to, and the amount of the sugar levels in the surrounded body areas increases. This is called as an early onset of type 2 diabetes. So now we as dietitian we work at a preventive measures. So such conditions can be reversed when you follow the dietary advice and also do a physical exercise. So this condition can prevent you to going into a type 2 diabetes. People with a type 2 diabetes, it's very important to follow a proper dietary advice. Usually people with a diabetes are at the risk of either going in a hypoglycemia state, which is going in a low sugar, or a hyperglycemia, which is called as a high sugar. So now prevent this ups and downs is very essential to distribute the meals very small frequently. So basically the way the diet is planned is of basically avoiding the simple carbohydrates and including the complex carbohydrates, including the appropriate proteins and good amount of the fibers. Now what this entire planning will do is it will lead to a slow release of the sugar, which will help in preventing the hypo and the hyperglycemia. Also I used a special device. This is called as a gluco watch, which is attached on the left arm of the person, and the sugar in this is recorded for 14 days. This can be used for the 14 days. Without any prick, the sugar is recorded for the 24 hours. There is a reader which reads this gluco watch, and it is the USB is attached, and seeing the records the diet is planned. Now the way it helps is it is very appropriate, because you can understand the pattern of the sugar records in the body very precisely.